这名小男孩名叫超凡，8点多，妈妈一不留神，孩子就钻。
A 3-year-old in China threw his family and a crew of firefighters on a spin cycle on Sunday when he got trapped inside a washing machine during afternoon playtime. Chow Fan hid inside the washing machine while playing hide-and-seek with his mother, only to find that his legs were tightly caught in the machine's drum. His mother called firefighters for help. They couldn't pull the toddler out, so they decided to dismantle the washing machine by taking the drum out and cutting it open with a saw.
可孩子仍旧无法脱身。原来，孩子的小腿被脱水桶内壁紧紧卡住。如果硬往外倒，很可能把孩子的腿卡住。
In the images released on Tuesday by China's state broadcaster CCTV, the mother comforted her frantic son, while the rescue team delicately removed the boy from the drum of the machine using the circular saw.
我再垫点东西。
The ordeal lasted an hour.
这别划着腿啊！啊，这不出来了？哎呀，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来，来,